Hello, question number 8. Welcome back. So we are looking at a question that involves some of the preliminary material. I've done a bit of work before recording. I'll be honest with you, I answered the question and had the wrong prelim material, so all the numbers were slightly out. So it says use income tax and national insurance 2017-2018 in the preliminary material. Vicky is thinking about returning to work after having a baby. Her employer offers us a contract for 3 days a week with a gross salary of $15,800 per year. She will have to pay for nursery and travel costs for each of the 3 days. Those figures are there. Vicky will have 4 weeks holiday each year. She'll have no nursery or travel costs in those weeks, and she'll pay income tax, national insurance, has no other deductions, and her personal allowance is $11,500. Vicky works out her average monthly net pay after paying the nursery and the travel costs. She says, I will still have more than £700 per month left of my net pay. Is she correct? So this is going to be a decision on whether the outcome is going to be more or less than £700. First thing I need to work out, get the net pay, so work out the tax, work out the national insurance, then calculate the costs of her nursery and travel, and then do that subtraction and work it out from there. So our first step, let's do the tax. So she's going to get $15,800 per year because we've got such a low salary in the context of the tax brackets. We're not going to have to worry too much. We're not going to worry at all about the 45% or the 40 tax bracket. So I'm going to just actually label this as tax, make sure I know what I'm doing. Subtract the 11,500. And I'm using my calculator for everything. I'm not making a silly error today. 4,300. Sorry if I'm diffing as well. I think it's hay fever. Pretty sure it's hay fever. Okay, so that's my taxable amount, and that's going to be taxed at the 20% rate. So we're going to multiply that by 0.2, £860, and that is the tax deduction. That's done. Happy with that. If I go over and have a look here, yeah, basics up to 33,500, which is a salary of about 45 grand. Right. Next bit, national insurance. So 8164 is in the 0 bracket. Everything else is in the 12% bracket. So 8164. Take away 8164. This is national insurance. And her salary is 15,800. So the 8164 is going to be that 0%. So that's free. And then we've got 7636, which is going to be charged at the 12% rate. So we multiply that by 0.12. And that is £916.32. So that's our national insurance structure. I'm going to add those two together so that I've got it all totaled up. 1776.32, which is the tax and the NI combined. Really important that you remember that when you're doing tax and national insurance, you do one, then you go back to the start, you do the other. It's not like the tax comes off and then you recalculate from national insurance. You have to continue to restart that. Okay, so her costs now for her nursery and travel. I'll deal with that in a minute. So £39 a day per day. We've got 52 weeks in a year. 52 weeks per year. Subtract the 4 that she's going to have a holiday on. Yeah, 4 weeks holiday. So that is 48 weeks. And she is doing 3 days a week. Am I right? Just double check that. Yeah, 3 days. Good work on the highlighting. I'm happy with my highlighting. I recommend you do the same thing. 48 times 3 is 144 days. Okay, so 39 times by 144. I just want to double check all this because I'm not happy with that £32 per day nursery fee. My daughters are costing about £60 a day. So this is an outdated question. It's unbelievable. Or she's got some perks. 39 times by 144 is going to be £5,616. Okay, I need to now work out nursery, and then what else was it? Travel, nursery and travel, lovely. Nursery and travel. So we've got 15800. Take away the 1700 American, £1,700 and 32 pence of national insurance and tax. And we have to take away the 616 from all those fees. So 15800, take away 1776.32 plus 5616, close the bracket. That's given me £8,407.68. Now that's the annual net pay that she'll have, and including those deductions, we are going to substitute. Now, so it's not actually the net pay; it's the net pay less the costs. We are now going to divide that by 12 to find out what it is monthly. And monthly, you will not believe this, it is 764 pence. So she is correct by 64 pence. Oh my word. What a mathematician this lady is. Well done, Vicky. Okay, so that is question 9. Please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. I promise to get this paper completed by the end of today, and hopefully future people are using this. If you are potentially year 11, year 12, do subscribe to the channel because I am going to keep putting out some content. Pop in again for question 9.